Hey guys, today we will see the Playwright Serial Mode. So let's have an example that we have a describe block in which we are having 5 test cases. Let's say first and second test case is passing, and in case of third test case if it's failing, then it's still executing fourth and fifth. For your information, this all the describe block, all the test cases interdependent with each other. So if we have a retry mechanism in this third test case, then still it will run only third one, which is quite irrelevant. So if we use serial mode, let's say, then test execution will look like something like this. Like it will first execute the first test case, then it will execute the second one, and in third execution, if it fails, then it will simply skip the fourth and fifth one, which is expected because it is interdependent. And in case of retry mechanism, it will retry not from the third test case, but instead of that it will retry from the first one, so from the start. So this is how it works in serial mode. So thank you so much, and please follow me, and bye bye.